us just destined to live in messy surroundings? It's tempting to think that might be the case. But the truth is that any of us can benefit from decluttering and organizing. If you still aren't convinced, take a look through these benefits of decluttering tips on how to declutter and organize, and discover the real reasons why you need to reorganize your home today. Number 1, a time saver. Getting rid of things you don't need serves a dual purpose. It clears your physical environment and it clears your mind. It helps you stay organized when it comes to putting items away in their correct home and quickly finding them the next day. That means less frustration for you and more time for all the fun activities in your life instead. If you want to save time in your daily life, then create a home space efficiently organized according to its purpose and use as you begin decluttering. Invest in well-designed products for the home that save space. Organizational storage for your bedding and clothes is a good starting point. Number 2, a space saver. If you've ever experienced the gradual buildup of clutter in a room, you'll notice a phenomenon. Your room suddenly feels small. It's the same room that just 6 months ago was a spacious, bright space. Did it shrink? Decluttering is an unrivaled way of creating more space in a home that feels cramped. A great tip for reducing clutter in living area is to organize non-essentials such as gift wrap. This gift bag storage solution is a good option. Number 3, reduce stress. Often our physical environments reflect what is going on with our internal feelings. Disordered and cluttered environments can cause us to feel like we are living in chaos. That can worsen our daily stress levels. In other words, if we cannot see a clear room in front of us, we find it difficult to think clearly. When you reorganize, you are not only creating a clear living space, you reduce the pressure from the constant tidying, moving, shifting, and finding activities that naturally happen when a room is cluttered. Number 4, saves money. Many of us are guilty of duplicate purchases. We are so time poor that it is easier to go to the store and buy a replacement than look for the original. Think how much money you could save by avoiding these kinds of repeat purchases. Invest in storage solutions that keep all your most important stuff in one place, get organized and decluttered, and you can avoid future emergency shopping trips. Number 5, give back. Places like nonprofit thrift stores, community drop boxes, and charity events are always a fine destination for your secondhand items. Contact them if you have some good quality items to donate. Not only will it give you the chance to clear your home, but it is a charitable gesture that will benefit those in need. Once you declutter and organize your home and have that beautiful, calm space to enjoy, you will never want to return to your old ways. As you transform your home, you will soon start to feel a transformation in your well-being. With that in mind, why wait? Start reaping the benefits of decluttering and organizing immediately. To make that first leap into decluttering, start with some simple first steps. Look through our product range and see which storage organizers will be best at helping you begin your home organization journey. Stop on by our Amazon store to browse our amazing selection of decluttering and organization solutions.